So we are here in California, Los Angeles, in Brentwood area. Our client called me out and he said, Steve, I've got some oversized shades that I need help with, and not just for my windows, but I also have a skylight that needs to be dealt with. Well, this is part of the business that we specialize in more and more than ever before. It is motorization. I'm looking forward to giving you a few tips around it. So why don't you follow us along and let's see how it turns out. What you need in order to install a motorized shades on a skylight is a heavy-duty motor. You also will need a platform in order to be able to stand on and work back and forth. And you also will need these types of tracks right here that are cubicle tracks that are going to be mounted onto the window railings. And then you also will need these carriers that are going to carry the shades back and forth. In addition to that, you also, of course, will need the shade itself. So how do I go about installing these? You just got to make sure you follow these few steps in a row in order to avoid pitfalls. First, what you want to do is install your tracks on your railings with the carriers inside of them. Make sure you have enough number of carriers. The second step is to go ahead and install the motor. If you have a wide window like the one we had here, then you're going to need a coupler in the middle of the motor and then one large tube. Then you go ahead and wire the motor up, and now you're ready to go ahead and mount the shade onto the tracks. And you do that simply by just taking on the hooks that are in the back of the shades and putting them on the carriers. And once that's all completed, your last step is to install your headrail. And that's how simple it is to go ahead and put it up. And we're going to show you what we have done here. And this is what it looks like. So if you like the video, make sure you give us a thumbs up. And also, please, if you have any comments, go ahead and leave them on the bottom of the video. And if you're interested in this type of work, just pick up the phone and give us a call.